What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how you can find stocks that have weekly options and to filter the stocks so that way they are trading between two different prices. So for example, you can have stocks with weekly options that are trading between $5 and $10. Now, just as a disclaimer, this is not trading advice in any way, shape, or form. This is just supposed to be a tool to help you do your own research. Please keep in mind that weekly options are very risky, but this should help you do some research. So first things first, this link right here is going to be in the description below. Please follow the link to find a table of stocks with weekly options. So next, we're going to download this table. Open it up. And then we are going to do Alt-H-O-I just to format the size of the column. Then here you can see that you have company name, then you have stock symbol. So we are going to highlight the stock symbol range. So Control Shift down arrow, and then we are going to make it a stock data type. So that way we can actually pull in the price of the stock. So to do that, you go to Data, Stocks, and it's going to take a second for it to load. Now, it's not going to have every single one of them, but it's going to have most of them though. There are a few of them to where so as you can see, for most of them, it just automatically found the stock, but it didn't do that for all of them. So you're gonna have to, so BB is BlackBerry. So select Jets. It doesn't have the information for Jets, the Jets ETF. So I'm just gonna take that out for this example. Okay, so now you go through, you then shift control down arrow to highlight the range of the cells. Then we are going to click this little icon right here, and we are going to scroll down and go to price or previous close, either one. For this example, I'm just going to use previous close. So, and here we have, now I'm going to highlight the name of the stocks, Alt-H-O-I, just to format it. And here we have a list of stock symbols with weekly options in their previous close. So now I'm going to make this a table. So I'm going to highlight this, then do Control T, then Enter. Now it's a table, and then over here is where we are going to have the range of stocks between two prices. This we're going to have the range, and you're going to have a low price of $5 and then a high price of $10. And I'm going to highlight this, Alt-H-A-C, just to center it. And now we're going to go to the table, and we're going to filter the data from smallest to largest. The reason why is because the information didn't pull prices for every single stock. So we want to make sure we don't have any like field errors, for example. So as to avoid that, to make sure that it won't throw us an error when we are writing the formula. So sort smallest to largest. And here you can see at the bottom we have the tickers that it just couldn't find information for. So now we're going to use the filter function to find the stocks between two different prices. So equals filter, the array is going to be all the stocks, is going to be the entire table minus the values that has the filter function. So we have two different components to the include argument. So for the first one, we're going to type open parentheses. Then we are going to highlight we're going to highlight the prices minus the field argument, minus the field errors. We're going to do greater than or equals to the low price, close parentheses, times open parentheses for the next component. We're going to hide the same range of cells, so the prices minus minus the ones with the field error. Then we're going to do less than or equals to the high price, and the close parentheses, and then if it's empty, we're going to say no record found. This is optional, but it helps though. It says found a typo, and here you can see here the list of stocks between with a close price of yesterday between $5 and $10. Alt HOI just to kind of format it some, but this is beneficial because. And this is extremely beneficial because for one thing it's dynamic. So instead of having to kind of visually see, okay, which ones are between these two prices, you can go ahead and just change these values. So between, for example, you can say between $8 and $15. And as you can see, the list changed with the low price and the high price. Also, this is dynamic because this date, the close prices of yesterday is live. So this list will change as time continues. So for example, you can say, okay, here are the ones between $5 and $10 and $10 and $15 and have a table for each one. And this is beneficial because because the underlying price is very influential in the premium that you pay or receive for an option. And this will hopefully help filter down the research that you need to do. So with that being said, I really hope that you found this to be useful. And here's kind of one last time just so you can kind of look at the formula a little bit more if you want to. So with that being said, I really hope that y'all found this to be helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you have any feedback. Any support is extremely, extremely helpful. Y'all have a great day.